So, pinag-aaralan namin na if ever we will grant franchises, we will put in minimum number of hours na dapat online kayo. Kasi nga, kung bibigyan namin kayo ng prangkisa at 2 hours lang kayo ng isang week, sayang naman yung prangkisang binigay ng gobyerno sa inyo. Bigyan na lang natin sa iba na willing to serve yung minimum number of hours. And at least, mahihit natin yung demand na masosource out natin yung mga supply para to meet the demand. Right now, bigyan ka namin ng prangkisa. Meron palang mga taong 5 hours lang a week. So what happens to the 24, to the other number of hours? Sayang yung prangkisa na binigay. So, yun ang sinasabi natin. There has to be a level of regulation for the TNVS. Meaning to say, if we give you a franchise, you have to have at least, pinag-aaralan pa namin ito, this is not yet final, but this is one of the solutions that we see na para bumaba yung kanilang number.